today's session and why are we talking about happiness? Okay, let's move on to the next slide. But yet there is something called a UN report and UN happiness report. This UN happiness report is being published in the month of March every year. And every year, the position that India holds in this report is not very great. As you can see, UN World Happiness Report 2021, Finland has topped the list. And what is India's rank out of 140? It is 139. So you can imagine, how much do we need to make ourselves positive, make ourselves happy. There is a need for it. Why are we constantly being unhappy? I can understand there is sadness. I can understand there is despair. I can understand there is loss of job. I can understand there is so much of grief. But at the same time, we also need to live our life. So it is our choice whether we live it happily or whether we, you know, trouble ourselves by feeling, stressed, feeling depressed. So that is what the session was all about. So we thought it was important to address, happiness. What is happiness? Why is happiness? And how can we be happy? Over to you, Vinita, ma'am.
So students, let's have some ice-breaking activity. I think we must sit passively here. We must actively participate. And so there is an activity. Let's check in your mood today. So you can see so many emojis here and so many expressions have already been listed out. So you have to list one expression now, how you are feeling today. You have to, and you can use any kind of vocabulary, many difficult words and whatever words you have in your mind to just list the state of your mind, like how you are feeling today. So students, I'm expecting some good response in the chat window.
And you don't have to restrict yourselves to the one which I've shown on the slide. Yeah. You can write your own state of mind and share with us how are you feeling right now and why are you feeling so. I am feeling extremely happy. I am feeling excited because I got opportunity to meet Rita ma'am. I got opportunity to meet you. I am privileged to be a part of this session. So that's the reason I'm feeling happy. Samiksha is feeling curious. And what is your mood today, ma'am? Let me check in your mood, Vinita, ma'am.
So I'm not well today. So I was feeling bad, but now I'm feeling quite excited again because I'm meeting such a good lot of students who are really excited and see they are writing good. So if they are good, they are happy. So teachers are always happy if their students
absolutely. So, they are reciprocating that happiness to us. Yeah. We are receiving that happiness and in turn we are becoming happy. And Rita ma'am is also happy to meet us. She has posted in chat. Yeah. Ria is saying she's feeling good. Garima is saying she's also feeling good. Sarthak is saying he's feeling happy. Krish said happy. Himani said happy. Ronak said happy. But you can also use varied vocabulary.
Yeah, smart some good word students.
Yeah, let's make a vocabulary list of emotions. As many words as you know. The positive thing of sharing it in chats is we learn from each other. Yeah. I put something, somebody else think it from that perspective. Oh, this can also be used in place of this. So that is how we can, learn from each other. Even Ronak is happy. Anjali is also happy. That's brilliant. It's so happy to know that even during the end of the day when you had a whole day of school, okay, today it was your holiday. So I think that is also one reason that you all are feeling energized and refreshed and happy. So we are at an advantageous point there. Okay, Vinita.
So let's begin our discussion. But before beginning, you have to do again a job. And the job is that you have to unscramble these words. I hope you can see on the screen something is written in red. And there is one clue also given, a picture. So you have to unscramble this word and then you have to share your experience.
Ria has added one word. Sorry to interrupt, Vinita ma'am. Ria has added one new word. It's blissful.
Very nice.
Thank you, Ria. Thank you so much. And this is something we are going to share our experiences about, but to share our experiences, we need to know this word. So to know this word, we have to unscramble it. Can you do it for us?
Yeah, very nice. See who has answered?
Samiksha, COVID lockdown. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay. Now, you all are required to share your experiences regarding COVID lockdown. It can be a good experience. It can be a not so good experience. It can be an interesting experience. It can be any experience that you
Any
would
bad
like.
also. Any bad also. See.
Not so good.
Anything.
That is bad.
Anything. Yeah.
Anything
Good,
that you would
not
like
so
to
good.
share.
Any type of
Anything that-
experience.
Yeah. Share your experiences, and you are more than welcome to post 2, 3, or as many experiences as you want in the chats. Share your experiences regarding COVID lockdown. Let us know if the instruction
so
is
let me
not clear.
start,
about you.
Gunjan. Okay, I am starting. Okay, so I had
Okay.
COVID during this period, and today again I am having fever, so I'm really worried.
So you are worried.
Yeah, I am
So
worried
you are
because I
worried.
had COVID.
So what kind of experience is this? Is it a
This is
happy
not so good.
experience?
No, I'm not
so
so
good
good.
experience.
Yeah.
Not so good.
But I'm
I feel-
hopeful. I'm hopeful also that I do not have
that is
COVID, so
what
it
I
is
want
not
to
bad
ask
also.
you.
It is not bad also.
Absolutely. So you are hopeful. Okay.
Yeah, I'm hopeful. Yes.
Okay, so she's hopeful. She is a little worried, but she's hopeful that
Yeah.
things are going to be right. And it's very important, Vinita, for us to be hopeful,
Hopeful,
because
yeah.
hope is something that gives us strength to fight.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Bilkul. I definitely I second that. Whatever you are saying, 100%.
Rita ma'am is saying it was a boring day, but it made me more creative. Okay, COVID lockdown was quite boring. Absolutely, everybody was in the lockdown, and it was quite boring for us that we could not go anywhere. What to do? But Rita ma'am has learned new thing. It has made her more creative. Brilliant. Ria is saying due to COVID lockdown, I got so much time to interact with our parents. That's so
This is
sweet.
wonderful. Yeah.
That's so sweet. Anything else? Students, I think we are 20 students here. Can we have 20 responses in the chats, bache?
So you just have to share like how did you
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And
how
as
you are
we said,
feeling?
yeah. Samiksha is saying I enjoyed a lot at my home, and it really made me creative. Okay.
Very good.
Any not so good experience that you had during COVID? Any experience which was not that great?
Like I have shared, I have not so good experience. Anyone
Yeah.
else? Gunjan, why don't you share your experience?
See, my experience was constantly being in the room. I every day, was very regular with walks and all. Vinita, as you know, I was, working out also. But
Yeah.
due to lockdown, I just couldn't go, and the school work increased so much during lockdown time because we are constantly in front of the computer. So
Yeah.
that way, my health was compromised. So that was something which was not very great.
Not so good.
But
Yeah.
then I thought, if I would have, had a very strong willpower, I would have managed to do something or the other at home also.
Yeah.
That was something I thought about. Raghav is saying, ma'am, because of COVID, we are living worriedly. I completely agree with you, Raghav. I completely agree with you. All of a sudden, it was tough to learn online, Samiksha. I completely agree. I completely understand what I. It was equally, difficult for us as teachers also to move on from physical spaces to virtual spaces, Samiksha. Reason being, you know what, beta, we are so much used to looking at your faces, and it gives us so much happiness. And suddenly, we are looking at the screen. We don't even know how our students are understanding or not. What do you say, Vinita?
Gunjan, I must say that I haven't met my students to whom I'm teaching. Actually, I'm teaching classes 11th and 12th, and these students they have come from class 10th, and I haven't seen them in my life. So whenever I think I will meet them in the school, I don't know when.
Yeah.
I will not be able to recognize them that these are my students, and this first time happening in my life. I'm really like, what is this, yaar? I don't know my students.
That's kind of weird. We haven't experienced it in
Yeah.
our, so many years of teaching career. Anybody else who would like to post their queries who would like to post their thoughts in chats, thoughts
Yeah.
about COVID lockdown? Your
Samiksha is saying it was
experiences
tough
in
to
COVID
learn
lockdown?
online. I totally agree, students. It is tough for teachers as well as students, I think. Teachers also had a tough time teaching online, and students also have a tough
And
time.
imagine you people are a technology generation. We are not. So we have to quickly, equip ourselves with appropriate technology, tools, learning, and all. How difficult it was for us, and we had taken our students' help only. Ki, "Ab bache, please let us know how to go about it." Due to COVID, we could not study, Ronald.
I
Sad.
understand.
Yeah, yeah. Anything good, anything bad? Quickly, another 15 seconds for this activity, and then we move on to some other interesting activity. Okay.
Yeah,
I think
let's
that's
move on
it.
to the next slide, I think.
Now you have already posted some good experiences, some not so good experiences in the chat. What we want you to do is go through these experiences posted in the chats by you and your peers and sort the responses. You know what is sorting? Sorting is,
Arrangement.
segregating, sorting the responses using PMI strategy. Have you ever heard of PMI strategy, children? What is PMI strategy? I will quickly explain it to you what PMI strategy is. PMI strategy is all about plus, minus, and interesting. We are going to sort the experiences that we have already posted in the chats into plus, which are good experiences, which you feel are good experiences, minus, which you feel are not so good experiences, and interesting, something interesting. Some experience you don't want to categorize it as good or bad. You want to say, this is something interesting which has happened. So you're most welcome to do that also. I am sharing this Padlet link, and I will also share my Padlet wall with you. You can
Do you know
sort.
about Padlet? Do you have any experience of Padlet before?
I will quickly explain it to them.
Yeah. Just tell us, Rita ma'am, do they
Yeah.
have experience of Padlet?
No, no, no.
No. Okay. Now we are going to tell them new tools also in this session.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
of course.
So students, see this. This is a Padlet, and see if you can see here plus the good experience, minus the not so good experience, and interesting, some experience that you found interesting. How you need to add it? You can see this plus sign here. Go to plus sign if you want to. If you want to add an experience, write your name and add your experience.
And you can add any video, or also you have made
Absolutely.
beautiful videos.
Picture, link, video, anything you want to add. Okay, and then you just press. That's it. That's your experience. You can move on to the next one. So I'm deleting this. Let me know if you have understood. Otherwise, I can explain it to you again. Similarly, if you want to write something for minus, add this plus sign. Write your name, write your experience, and move on to the next one. So this is how we can do it. Is it clear, or would you like to understand it one more time? Please
Yes,
feel
please.
free to help us know.
Yeah. Let's learn this new tool. I know
Absolutely.
this will be quite interesting.
It's quite interesting. My bachas like it very much. I don't know about you. I would like to know from you that did you like this tool? You are a technology
Ujjwal,
generation.
they are saying, tell us again.
Okay,
It's in
Vita.
chat.
Can you see this?
Excuse
This
me,
is
ma'am. Please tell them
always-
with an example.
Okay.
Yes. We can see in the chats, okay? We go to the chats and we can see all our experiences being posted in chats. Rita ma'am has said boring, but it made me creative, okay? So what do you think? Boring is a plus experience or a minus experience or an interesting experience? Plus means good experience, minus means not so good experience. Interesting is an interesting experience. Where would you like to put boring to? Under plus, minus, or interesting? Where would you like to put this? Boring word. Boring.
So Rita ma'am has two perspectives. One is boring and other is creative.
So we have
Where do you want to put boring and where creative? Okay, Rita ma'am, you tell us. Minus. Okay, they are saying minus.
Okay. So boring is minus. So Rita ma'am is writing her name. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Rita ma'am is saying boring during lockdown. Okay, great. So this is how I have put it, and I have just written it, and I have moved on to the another one. And the good part about the other part of Rita ma'am's experience is she became creative. Where would you like to put creative? Plus or interesting? It can be plus, it can be interesting, it can be minus. Where would you like to put that?
Plus. Okay, great.
Plus. Okay, let's put it in plus.
So yeah, you
Rita
have
ma'am,
to
see, I'm typing Rita ma'am's name and I'm saying I became creative. I have started typing this and simply I move on to any place here and it gets posted. Understood?
and then you can add any picture also. They see you
Absolutely.
have so many
Absolutely.
attachments which you can do with this. Then
You
can you
want
show
to
the attachment if you can one
Yeah,
second?
you want to add a picture. There's a picture here. It's saying use your camera. You want to allow your camera. Photo booth. I want to add my picture. It will upload my picture. I want to upload any YouTube link here. I want to pick a file from my computer and show how happy or sad I am. I can do that also. So you can do anything, and I can even post a link also. Yeah, see. I can post a YouTube link of being happy, what was my experience, and I can search any pictures also. It's like I want to see happy. So I want to look for images. I'm looking
Images,
for
yeah.
images, and this is what happiness means to me. So I'm adding this.
Yeah. So
So I am giving it
wonderful.
a
So
title,
wonderful.
happy, as I learned technology. So
Yeah.
this is what it is. Brilliant. Rita has started writing. Raghav, congratulations. You are already there.
Very good students. You must learn something new every
Yeah,
day.
and try these tools and try different things.
Rita ma'am herself is very creative. I know she
Yeah,
will definitely
I
use
know,
this.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I learned to make food at home. Brilliant. This is
Very
something
nice.
interesting.
Very
But
good.
you can write your name also.
Otherwise, we will not be able to come to know who is writing. Write
Yeah,
down your name also. And
and
why
you
don't you attach a picture of your food? What food you have made? I hope you
absolutely.
must be having in your phone. Attach a picture. We want to see.
And you can also sort the experiences that you have already posted in chats. Come on, students. It's okay if you don't want to write your name. Don't write your name, but
Let
please
it be
post
anonymous. Yeah.
it. Keep it anonymous, but please post it. We would like to know what was good, what was not so good, and what was so interesting about your COVID experience. Raghav, I got many injuries in this lockdown. Oh,
Oh my
shucks.
God.
I hope you're fine, Raghav. I hope you're fine now. I loved cooking food, Sarthak. Brilliant. Rita, I became creative. How did you become creative? What did you do, Rita? Can you just explain
Rita
that to
ma'am.
me?
She's Rita ma'am.
Okay, Rita ma'am, I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
yes.
I only had written that. I'm so sorry.
Okay, Vinita ma'am knew that I engaged my students during the lockdown in making videos,
Yeah.
in
And
making fun videos, activity videos,
Wow.
and different types of videos.
different types of and
Brilliant.
some videos were
Brilliant.
made to just spread the message
Yes.
how to remain safe during
We
corona
started
and
with
what
the
all.
COVID mission, COVID awareness mission, and then we switched
Yeah,
on with the fun videos also, activity videos also.
yeah, a lot
So
of videos she has made, and every time I see it on my nat group, every time she posts it
yes,
there. So
I became tech savvy, I can
yeah,
say.
this is good. Yeah, this is good.
Anybody else who would like to add, Beta? It's more you are most welcome not to write your name if you don't want to write your name and if you're not comfortable writing your name. That's perfectly all right. But please respond, bache.
Better click on that link which is given to you, and then you will be able to do it.
Should I post the link again or we have it?
लिंक पे क्लिक करना है, फिर उसको उस पे आपको
Plus
ये
four.
प्लस पे ऐड करके अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताने हैं. चैट बॉक्स में देखो लिंक आ रहा है.
So, ma'am, what you can do, you can also make a wall like this, and all your
Yes.
video collection can
Yes,
be
I'll
there
do.
also.
I'll definitely do.
This is what I was saying.
Yes,
Rita ma'am
yes,
is very
yes.
creative. She will definitely use this too.
Yes. You gave me the idea. After completing
Yeah.
my lesson, I can write
Yeah.
write down your queries.
Absolutely,
Yeah, yes, this is
absolutely.
also good.
Our students are using it extensively and they love it because you can use it in multiple ways, pictures, even PDFs, even
Yeah.
videos, everything. Okay, children, more responses. Another 2-3 minutes on this activity, and then we'll move on to the next one. आज मुझे लगता है सब बच्चे छुट्टी पे आए हैं. हमारे थॉट्स भी छुट्टी पे चले गए, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. क्या बात ऐसी है बच्चों? इज इट सो? हमारे थॉट्स भी छुट्टी पे चले गए बेटा. Come on children, come on, you can do it.
Can anyone write in Hindi also? So try करो, हिंदी में लिख सकते हैं इस पे.
देखना पड़ेगा विनीता. I don't know.
नहीं, मैं तो बच्चों से ही बोल रही हूँ, ट्राई करेंगे ना बच्चे. They must try new things. अच्छा, many students are not online. Okay, Gunjan, they are writing in chat. Okay, I think.
Okay, what others can do, help the ones who are not online, help those by writing what they are writing in the chats. Just put it under plus, minus, or interesting, whatever you feel. Copy it from there, put it under plus, minus, or interesting. Can you do that for us? Can Raghav and Samiksha take this lead for us? Give me a thumbs up or say yes in the chats, Raghav and Samiksha. Can you do that for us? The students who are posting it in the chats,
Yes,
can you put it
Samiksha is
here in
saying
the
yes.
PMI? Ronak is saying, I spent my time helping my father in the shop. That's great, Ronak. That's so nice. I love to make drawing. मैम मैं हिंदी में लिख सकते हैं. ब्रिलियंट. ये बताओ
क्या
कैसे
हिंदी में लिखा है?
जल्दी
See,
समझाओ.
Gunjan, I was just like curious about whether it is possible or not. Now
This is so nice.
we are also learning.
कैसे लिखा बताओ. प्लीज सिखाओ.
सिखाओ बेटा सिखाओ. राघव.
मैम जी बोर्ड के क्लिप बोर्ड में जाके मैम वहाँ पे लैंग्वेजेस ऐड कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल. आप अपनी डिवाइस पे हो गए ना फोन पे, इसलिए बड़ा ब्रिलियंट राघव. ब्रिलियंट.
Very nice, very nice. This is called creativity.
Absolutely. And I told you, na, your generation is a technology generation. We have to learn, and you get it like this.
So Gunjan, let's.
Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one. Fine. So, we have posted plus experiences, we have posted minus experiences, and we have posted interesting experiences. If I give you a choice to stay with an experience, which experience would you like to stay with? It can be more than one also.
Would you like to stay with
What's in the
positive or
charts?
interesting or minus experience? Which type of experience?
If I give you a choice to stay with an experience, which experience would you like to stay with? Plus, minus, interesting. You have a choice to choose more than one.
Interesting. Good, Anjali.
Okay. Anybody else? We just have 15 more seconds. Ma'am, I will stay with the plus and interesting. Okay,
Very
plus
good,
and
Madam.
interesting. Leena Marija ma'am also wants to say Sarthak only plus. Great. So here is a very cute video for you all. I would like you all to go through this video. Plus and interesting. Most of us are saying plus and interesting. I would want you all to go through this video. This is something about the time when COVID had just started and what was the condition of Wuhan, what was the minus in that place, and how did it became a plus thing here. Just have a look at this video.
Down. Yes, there is fear. Yes, there is isolation. Yes, there is panic buying. Yes, there is sickness. Yes, there is even death. But they say that in Wuhan, after so many years of noise, you can hear the birds again. They say that after just a few weeks of quiet, the sky is no longer thick with fumes, but blue and grey and clear. They say that in the streets of Assisi, people are singing to each other across the empty squares, keeping their windows open so that those who are alone may hear the sounds of family around them. They say that a hotel in the west of Ireland is offering free meals and delivery to the housebound. Today, a young woman I know is busy spreading flyers with her number through the neighbourhood so that the elders may have someone to call on. Today, churches, synagogues, mosques and temples are preparing to welcome and shelter the homeless, the sick, the weary. All over the world, people are slowing down and reflecting. All over the world, people are looking at their neighbors in a new way. All over the world, people are waking up to a new reality, to how big we really are, to how little control we really have, to what really matters, to love. So we pray and we remember that yes, there is fear, but there does not have to be hate. Yes, there is isolation, but there does not have to be loneliness. Yes, there is panic buying, but there does not have to be meanness. Yes, there is sickness, but there does not have to be disease of the soul. Yes, there is even death, but there can always be a rebirth of love. Wake to the choices you make as to how to live now. Today, breathe. Listen. Behind the factory noises of your panic, the birds are singing again. The sky is clearing. Spring is coming. And we are always encompassed by love. Open the windows of your soul. And though you may not be able to touch across the empty square, sing.
Okay, how was the video? And what was your takeaway from this video? Any takeaways from this video? Anything that we learned? Anything that you liked about the video? Or did not like? Okay, somebody saying please share, check the, she has written something, Samiksha. Samiksha, what have you written, beta? Is this what you want to say, Samiksha, the YouTube link? Samiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, YouTube link you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बेटा. Samiksha has posted this YouTube link. I think we should say.
मेरा नाम समीक्षा सेमवाल है और आज मैं आपके लिए एक कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। मेरी कविता आजकल के कोरोना काल में काफी प्रसंगित है। मेरी कविता के बोल कुछ इस प्रकार से हैं। हे दयानिधे, रथ रोको अब, क्यों प्रलय की तैयारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। नैना रोते रोते सूख गए, अब नीर कहाँ इन आंखों में। नैना रोते रोते सूख गए, अब नीर कहाँ इन आंखों में। परवास पे जिनकी गर्व बढ़ा, अब जान कहाँ इन आंखों में। परवास पे जिनकी गर्व बढ़ा, अब जान कहाँ इन आंखों में। अपने भी साथ नहीं अपने भी साथ नहीं अपने, जंग जीवन की भी जारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। हमने खुद को यूं बसा लिया वैज्ञानिकता की बाहों में। हमने खुद को यूं बसा लिया वैज्ञानिकता की बाहों में। अवरोध कर दिए खड़े एक दूजे की राहों में। अवरोध कर दिए खड़े एक दूजे की राहों में। धरती माता का दोहन तो कर लिया, अब गगन की बारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। जिन मुश्किलों से गुजर रहे ये खेल तो हमारे अपने हैं। जिन मुश्किलों से गुजर रहे ये खेल तो हमारे अपने हैं। जीवन अनमोल जिया, जिंदगी पर कुछ चंद सुखों के सपने हैं। हर ओर तमस दिखता है अब, हर ओर तमस दिखता है अब, हर रात भय में गुजारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। कितने परिचित कितने अपने कितने आखिर यूं चले गए। कितने परिचित कितने अपने कितने आखिर यूं चले गए। जिन हाथों में दौलत संबल, सब कायर क्रूर काल से चले गए। सब क्रूर काल से चले गए। हे राघव माधव मृत्युंजय, बिगड़ो ये अर्थ हमारी है। बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है। ये बिना शस्त्र का युद्ध है जो महाभारत से भी भारी है।
Very nice, beta. Very nice.
So nice, so brilliant. Very nice. Thank you for sharing this, Samiksha.
Samiksha.
Thank you. Very nice. Thank you so much. Over to you, Vanita ma'am.
So students, we have one more activity, and the activity is let's flip it. So we have like curated few activities for you. You can see there are some children doing something good and they are happy about themselves and they are doing something, whatever is making them feel happy. So what you have to do, you have to just share your observation, which activity you are liking most and why. And I hope I'm right, Gunjan. Which,
Yeah.
which
We have very thoughtfully chosen these pictures. So you have to number the picture. Which picture did you like and how is it depicting happiness? How do you think is the picture showing happiness? That you have to write the name of number of the picture and just a few 2-3 lines of brief explanation. Why do you think that picture is showing? What is it in the picture that is showing happiness? Quick, children! Let me see.
Yeah, we have to be very quick. Only 5 minutes for this activity.
Mm-hmm. Cut it short to 2.
2, yeah.
The brilliant children, they will quickly do it. Picture number 2. Why, Sarthak? Jaldi se batao. Why? You have chosen picture. You have to give us a reason. Why do you think that picture is depicting happiness? What is
Raghav
it
is saying picture number 3.
Who is saying picture number 3?
Raghav.
2. Acha, Sarthak is saying 2. Okay. Because she's trying to do something new. Okay, Sarthak, great. Anybody else? Picture number? Come on, children. Come on. Number 5, because it's a story time and it's a source of day-to-day happiness. So sweet. Thank you so much, Samiksha. Anybody else? Come on. I want to see more new names, Raghav. And many students doesn't get time to spend time with the parents. Very nice. Ara, very good. Arnav, thank you very much. Ma'am, I like picture 4. Why did you like picture 4? Rita ma'am has liked picture 1, number 1, because that shows togetherness. Krish has said picture number 3. Anjali has said picture number 1, but you have to give me the reason also. Hardik has said 1 because they are together. Brilliant. Himani is saying 5 because to listen stories by us parents is something nice. Oh, great. That is what gives you happiness. Very nice, Himani.
I also love to hear stories.
Story is something I think Gunita ma'am everybody loves. Everybody loves. Anjali is saying because togetherness gives happiness. Very nice. So sweet. Oh, sweet.
And this is what we are lacking. See, we are so distance apart and we are not together. This is the main reason of, I think, unhappiness. But
we are very happy to be here, Vanita. That's again a virtual source of happiness. This virtual platform has given us this happiness, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, children. अब हम आपको एक खुलासा करने जा रहे हैं, जैसे वो न्यूज में आता है ना, सनसनी खेज खुलासा. आपको पता है ये खुलासा क्या है? Vanita ma'am is going to do this. Vanita ma'am is going to tell us something very, very interesting about this activity. And I am going to move on to the next slide. And Vanita ma'am, you can explain this to them.
So students, what did you conclude from this? You are seeing this activity and you are saying they are happy. You are happy because you are doing this. Yeah, these children are doing this. So I must tell you one thing, students. Happiness is only our state of mind. Okay, if you are happy, it is going to reflect on your face. And I must tell you that there is no guide, there is no rule, no manual that can teach you happiness. You cannot learn happiness. It is your perception which is making any event which is happening in your life happy or sad. Okay, so you don't have to go out to search for happiness. It is within ourselves. And sometimes, and most of the times, I must say, it is covered with the layers, discovered by the layers of negative thoughts. So what we need to do, we need to shun our negative thoughts. So today we have to promise ourselves that we will shun all our negative thoughts and we will experience real happiness in whatever is happening. See, whatever is happening in life, it may be like good or bad also. It is only our perception, the way we are perspecting, like whether it is good or not. So I must tell everyone, so students, please stay happy and look at every event, every opportunity with positivity, and it will give you happiness in life.
And should I tell you one thing, students? These were the pictures we randomly took from internet. And just because we tuned your mind that these all pictures are happy, depicting happiness, you started looking if we looking at these pictures from the lens of happiness, from the perspective of happiness, and everybody could find some kind of thing which is showing happiness in these pictures. So that is what life is all about, beta. It is how we perceive things. Great. So this is a very sweet poem. I thought, we can read it for you. Even during lockdown, listening to music is not cancelled. Quality time with your family is not cancelled. Reading a book is not cancelled. Having real conversation with friends is not cancelled. Singing out loud is not cancelled. Laughing out loud is not cancelled. Sharing hope with others has not been cancelled. Connect to what was disconnected. Let's embrace to what we have. That was the video also all about. It says, even in Wuhan, after so much of noise, they could finally hear the sky clearing. You must have also heard about, because of lockdown, the ozone layer, which was depleting, is also recovering. And they could hear the chirping of birds, clear skies, which was never there before. So even if we are sad, try to be positive, try to find happiness, try to find positivity there. We are sharing a form with you all, and I would like Vinita ma'am, and I am also going to share my happiness mantra. One positive thing that we tell ourselves to keep us motivated, to keep us positive, to keep us happy. So this, what you can do is, this is how the form will look like. You need to write your name, you need to write your class, and you need to write your happiness mantra. For me, if you ask my happiness mantra is something that, I had read about Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama had said, most of the time, we listen to people from with an objective of giving a reply to whatever the person has said. And in the process, we are so much in haste to reply to that person that we forget to listen to that person carefully. So what we need to do, if we listen to the person carefully, we might learn new things. But without listening, if we listen with an intention of replying back, we might not benefit from it. So that's my happiness mantra. I have given this mantra to myself that I am going to listen to people from now onwards, because that will help me to understand people better. So what's your happiness mantra, Vinita ma'am and Rita ma'am? Would you like to share that?
Yes, ma'am. In the form only?
Ma'am, we can write. See, I'm writing my name. This is how, children, you need to do. You write your name here. You write your class here. Sorry, this is where you need to write your class. Suppose I am in grade 8, and that's my happiness mantra. Listening. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I am doing it in the wrong form here. My name is Gunjan. Sorry. Gunjan, and I am in, suppose, class 8, and my happiness mantra is listening to people will help me understand them better. That's my happiness mantra, and I am submitting. This is what you all need to do. Okay?
They don't need to attach the poster. You haven't added that link.
Ma'am, I think, Vinita, we had discussed it that ma'am can get it done. We'll just teach them how to go about this.
So, Gunjan, I am not going to reveal my mantra. See, I have made a beautiful poster of it, and I will show it to you.
That's nice. That's nice. So, in the meanwhile, students...
Rita ma'am was saying something, ma'am. You were saying something?
I'm so sorry, Rita ma'am. So sorry.
No,
Yes,
I was
Rita
not
ma'am,
saying
what's
anything.
your mantra?
Okay. So,
Rita
students...
ma'am's mantra.
Okay, she will enter here only, the form.
In the form, I'll write in the form.
Great. Great, ma'am.
Students, you also write in the form. Fill up the form, please, with your happiness mantra.
And before leaving and before dispersing, we have one magical tool again to teach you, and that is Adobe Spark. Yes, students, are you already aware of this tool? Just want to know like whether you are already aware or not. You know what is
No,
Adobe
ma'am.
Spark? No?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So again, a very interesting tool in which you can make beautiful posters. I have made a beautiful poster on my mantra, and I have saved it as a screensaver in my phone so that I can see to it daily, and it reminds me of my mantra to be happy, because everyone wants to remain happy in their life. Okay, so I will tell you today how you can, using your phone only, how you can make beautiful posters. And this is the tool Adobe Spark, which we are going to use. And for this, students, you just have to go to Google Play Store and just type Adobe Spark and then download it. Fine. You can just install it in your phone. And Gunjan ma'am, next slide. I'm giving you instructions, and I want every child who is attending this workshop to make a beautiful poster. So when you will download it, you will see this type of icon in your phone. I hope you can see this red color icon. Okay, Gunjan ma'am, if you can put your cursor, yeah. Okay, then the first screen is to sign in. Okay, so you can sign in either with your Facebook account or your Google account, and after signing in, you have to log in. Okay, I hope you all know this. This is not something new, like with all the whatever apps you have, like we do this. And then after this, you will see this is the home screen of Adobe Spark, and you can see so many tabs. These are only 3 tabs are visible at present, but there are many tabs, and all these tabs, they have something, they have some posters related to this category. So whatever categories are there, so you will see there are like, I think 10 to 15 categories are there, and depending upon the category, some posters, some ready-made posters are already there. So what you can do, you can choose a category of your choice, and then you can choose a poster of your choice. Like instead of starting fresh, what you can do, you can choose one poster and then you can start with it. So this is what I have chosen, this one poster, because it is giving me like really, it is a cool poster which I really found very cool colors and very I really like this. So I chose this. Now what you can do, you just click on this remix, this template. Okay, these are so many templates that are aligned here. So you can choose the template of your choice, and then you have to remix. Okay, because you do not want whatever is written on this template, you want your own message. Okay, so when you will click on remix, what will happen? You will see all these 6 options. You can see. You can add few things, and see, I have pasted one more screenshot in which what all you can add in your poster. You can see here. Ma'am, can you read it? I just can't see what all is written.
It is text, it is design assets, it is images, icon, background, logos.
Yeah, so this is the variety of things which you can add in your poster. Okay, and these are other things you can add, many other things also, like you can make it animated, and you can add certain, like there are 100 of things which you can do with your poster. So if I want to do this is the next screen. Suppose I want to add some image. So again, it is asking whether I want it in a particular template or I want to add it freely. So it all depends. Once you will start doing it, just give it a try. So you will get a hang of this tool, which is very simple. So you can put a picture, like I have put this picture, and then you can write a message. So this is a text tool. Using a text tool, you can write your message, and then there are a lot of formatting features which you can use to format your text. And see, this is the poster which I have made. Putin, how do you like it?
And that's a mantra also.
Yeah.
Would you like to read your mantra, Vanita?
Yeah. If you can read it for me.
Okay,
I'm not having my glasses.
Her mantra is never give up. A great flame follow a little spark.
Very
That's
nice.
Vanita
Very
ma'am
nice.
mantra.
Very nice.
So students, I hope one more slide is there, just to show them how, no, okay. So students, इसी पर जाते हैं. So ऊपर you can see on the top panel, you have certain certain tabs are there. One tab is for sharing, or one tab is for downloading. So you can download this poster and you can share it in WhatsApp also. Okay, so once you have made this poster, you can share it on WhatsApp with your teacher. So
This is to download and this is to share, children.
yeah, there are two, like you can see there are 2 sub tabs on the top panel. Okay, so you can download it, and see, again, we are saying during Corona time, we are not getting time to be, not time, like we are restricting ourselves to stay in the home. So this is the best time to exchange messages with our friends. So let's make some beautiful posters and exchange these messages with our loved and dear ones, you can say. So how did you like the tool, students? Is it interesting? Yes, students?
Raghav is saying yes, ma'am.
So students, you are actually a grown-up students. That is why we thought of teaching you something new, some new tools and technology.
No, ma'am, your tool is a hit.
Oh,
Yes, yes, ma'am. They all are technology children.
so I hope they will definitely. And there are so many options, so many options. So you can choose the one which is relevant to you.
Absolutely, absolutely. You can choose, whatever you want. You can share it with your friends, and despite of being distant from each other, you can still be with your friends by sharing these posters. Positive happiness mantra, or you can even, decorate it on your desktop where you can always look at it and feel positive about it.
So that you get reminded again and again that you
Yeah,
will
you
have to
can
make
save it as a screensaver in your phone that you're constantly looking at, like Vinita ma'am is doing it. So, it keeps reminding you to stay positive. How was today's session, students? We would like to have your feedback. And Rita ma'am, yours too.
Yes, first
Yes,
of
beta. Raghav is asking some question.
Ma'am, can I ask a fact? Yes, Vita, Raghav, ask. Tell me, many animals go to space,
Okay.
but only 2 dogs came back on Earth. Okay. That sounds interesting.
Gunjan, I will fail to answer this question because I'm not a science teacher. Please don't ask me. You have to answer it.
The Raghav is going to answer it for us.
Okay, can you name them? Oh my God, I cannot name them. I don't know. Don't ask me. This is good, Raghav. You are testing us also. You are testing teachers.
Came back.
Okay, he has given answer also. Very nice, Raghav.
Welcome,
Belka and
Storika.
Storika. Okay.
Thank you so
Ajay
much for
Tao.
sharing that interesting information with us, Raghav. That's very interesting. And I am going to ask this to my students now.
Yeah, definitely. I am also going to ask them.
Interesting, yeah.
Okay, he has a channel on YouTube.
Sure, beta, we will. We will.
So Raghav, how you like this session? कैसा लगा बेटा? बताओ, अपना feedback दो.
Others also, please.
Ma'am, I like this session very much.
Like
I
it?
learned
Raghav.
Okay, so
Who else
you will
wants to
use the
share?
tools you learned
Yes, ma'am, I will definitely use the tools.
and the link Padlet.
Ma'am, I have shared my experience.
Yes,
Very good.
good.
Students आपके smart है.
So thank you, ma'am, both of you. It was very interesting sessions, new things. Even I never thought of using Padlet. So even I will now use this link with my students also. And it was nice meeting you after so long. We met Vinita ma'am in 2019. वो सारी memories दोबारा से ताज़ा हो गई हैं. We used to share different things. राष्ट्रपति भवन याद आ गया, बस याद आ गई मुझे तो.
बिल्कुल मैम.
अशोका होटल याद आ गया, और वो
याद आ
कैसे
गया,
हम
बिल्कुल. वो
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे अवार्ड लेने के लिए, वो सब याद आ गया.
Those
And
were
last
golden
but not the least, the Vigyan Bhavan.
Yes,
Yeah.
Vigyan. Yes,
And yes, you are very much learned, I know. And Gunjan ma'am, it was nice meeting you also.
Pleasure is all mine, ma'am. Rita ma'am, it was a pleasure meeting you, and it was really nice meeting you. And I have heard so much about you from Vinita, and it's a pleasure to meet you, ma'am. I'm honored to meet you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you. And even I think my students have learnt a lot. Samiksha, if you would propose a vote of thanks, please.
Ma'am, we are really glad that you came and taught us many new things, and it was really fun, and we got to many interesting things. We hope that you will have a session again with us. We just feel really good. Thank you so much.
That's
Love you,
great.
Samiksha. Love you for it.
So you
Thank
are
you so much,
you both
Samiksha.
are invited for the next session also, ma'am.
We would love to be here, ma'am. We would love to be here. Ma'am, Brita ma'am, I will look at what Arnav is saying. Thank you, smart teachers. You
Wow.
all give too much knowledge.
I was in no overflow. I
So
was in no
sweet.
overflow.
Thank you, Arnav. We are
He is in
touched and
class
we are
8th.
obliged.
He is in class
Okay.
8th.
Wow. Very
Brilliant.
nice students, ma'am.
So sweet. So sweet. Children, it was a pleasure meeting with you all, and Rita ma'am, you too. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye,
Thank you.
students.
Bye bye.
Bye.
टेक केयर
Thank you,
मैम,
Rita
अपनी
ma'am.
हेल्थ का ख्याल रखिए.
Yeah.
आप भी रखिए मैम, प्लीज ध्यान रखिएगा.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
ma'am.
students. Take care.
Bye
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 bye.
and
Bye,
take care.
students. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, students. Thank you.